Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is going to end up growing into an uptrend, eventually most likely looking like that. I think it's eventually going to take out these highs, probably going all the way up someplace around the 1.25 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's actually very clear that we have a nice uptrend right here for the 1. We have a correction, wave 2, and that we're now in a wave 3. Now, just because we're in a wave 3 doesn't mean there's not going to be some pretty good sized pullbacks on the sort of time frames, but I do think it's just going to keep on trending up, making a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Most likely, this is all going to be a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, it definitely doesn't matter to me because either scenario, I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I believe this is where the wave 1 ends. I think this is an ABC of 2, and we definitely have a pretty nice looking uptrend here. Now, I do see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shape, so it does kind of look like it wants to end a trend right here, but looking at the longer time frames, I do think this is probably a wave 3, and I do think that it will make a move to the downside, but I do think it will keep on making those higher highs and higher lows. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely have a nice impulsive turn down right here, but like I said, for now I'm definitely looking at this as a correction to this last move up. I think it'll probably end up making some sort of a three-way pattern, probably going down to one of these three Fibonacci levels, making that ABC shape. Once that's complete, if we see an impulsive move up at a fib level, especially if we see like a break of structure for the wave C, then that's exactly what I'm looking for an entry to go long for the continuation of this trend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you can definitely see some breaks of structure right here, telling us that this whole move up is complete. Now, most likely this move down is going to be a wave A. Then it probably will end up drifting up to make a correction to this move down for the wave B, and most likely back down again for a wave C. I bet it will go down to the 50 or the 61.8, make an impulsive move up, breaking structure for that wave C, proving that the ABC correction is over, and most likely ending up continuing the uptrend. All the higher time frames are still telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I'm still primarily looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of ABC corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.